Hi, I'm Alan and I'm the franchise owner in East Lothian for Fresh Car Valeting. I enjoy seeing different cars. I've always loved cars since I was a kid, but actually working on them, when you clean them, when you see the state that some of them are in when you get to them, and then once you're finished with it, it's that instant gratification that you get of the finish and then the customer's reaction of seeing it. So one thing I really enjoy is getting out to meet the customers, meeting new people. I've built really good relationships with quite a few customers. They know me personally, I know them personally. They've given me wee things at Christmas for the kids, selection boxes for the kids and Easter eggs for the kids and things like that. Someone should use Fresh Car Valeting because we care whether your car's worth £500 or £500,000, that we take just as good care of it as we would no matter what the product is. We all love what we're doing, we all enjoy working on cars, and the service levels that we provide are far and away better than anybody else can offer. Last job, this is us. Nice full valet. It's to finish the day, so a wee bit extra than what we did before. Should be alright. Hopefully not too bad. It's quite dirty, so it'll be fun. The services that we offer, we include anything from a basic mini valet right up to a full signature valet where we can do the paintwork restoration, bringing your car back to life, full interior deep cleans on the inside. At Fresh, we've got a great booking system available. You can use our website, you can use our app, and you can also call into the office. All extremely easy to use. The app especially, once you've got your details set up in there, that's you just go straight in, book your appointment and you're done within 2 minutes.